Hello, everyone. Monday was an overall solid session once again for the stock market. The good news to come away from today mainly was that we continue to see rotation as the Russell 2000 decided to get a little bit of a oomph today as they rotated out of the bigger cap stocks, which were starting to show a little bit of a lead, as you can see by the DIA. Look at the relative strength line at the bottom there on the most recent short term. You can also see that in the SPY. While at the other end, you can see that the Russell 2000 wasn't doing well, but with it being up 1.13% today, it obviously is looking better. Now that, right, for instance, now put our SRTY below the 5-day moving average, excuse me, and with it closing below the 5-day moving average, this blue line right here, half of the hedge will be removed. The remaining hedge will be removed, obviously, with a close below the 1276 level and or the trailing 10-day moving average. So close below the 10-day moving average or 1276, and the entire hedge will be taken off, but still half the hedge will remain. And that is the only sell today. There were no other sells. ADUS was this next closest one, and as you can see, it closed at 23.89, puts it above the 23.81 low a day point of the 1028 pullback. So until we close below 2381, more of ADUS will not come off. And besides that, there was only one possible long position that triggered OESX. OESX is breaking out kind of a wedging, flat base pattern, but it is wedging higher. And it would be a good breakout to, maybe poke. However, it has earnings on Thursday, so OESX signal cannot be taken as it's too risky. And also this weekend, I put in a buy stop order for SCTY, just 1 penny above this level, 61.68, the high day of the 1024 day. It triggered the 61.69 buy stop intraday and was looking great when it was near $65 and $64. But with the close at 60.63, it's now below where I am long. However, since I did that and forgot to mention it this weekend, I thought I had plenty of time to bring up this buy stop on Monday. I had no idea that this stock would decide to try to be up over 15% at one point. Oh, excuse me, intraday. So, whatever. But, now if you want to take the signal based on my 61.69 buy stop, you can get filled better since it's only at 60.63. But I'm holding on to my position, and I will continue to do so until I believe it closes below 56.50, and then I will get out of it if I am wrong. So SCTY is good to go. And then tonight, TSLA, we're going to go ahead and put a buy stop on this one. I'm going to put it just right above this obvious level right here. Wait, I'm going to do this. So right above here. So obviously 188.80 is going to be where the buy stop was going to be placed. So break out above that high and I'll be long. SCTY, go ahead and get long now if you want to go up based off my buy stop level. But definitely the Elon Musk stocks are the stocks that must be watched. And once again, unfortunately, there is nothing else to discuss. The low volume, below average volume on the NASDAQ and the well below average volume on the New York Stock Exchange made it a light scanning day. But overall, all is well in the market. Aloha.